Hey there folks, here with another video for you. This one is about how to clean your coffee maker, cheap and easy. The only thing we're going to need is some pure white vinegar and obviously our coffee machine. So I got it already plugged in, and you set it up just with your filter basket and your coffee pot. And we're going to fill whatever your maximum level is for water. That's what we'll fill it to. This one is 12 cups. And if you look closely, there's a bunch of calcium buildup there. And it's not looking too clean, so all we're going to do, just going to close it up and run the cycle. Alright, so the first brew is done. So all we're going to do, I'm going to pop the top back open and grab our pot and carefully pour it back in to the water tank. Close it up, and I usually do this about 3 or 4 times. Depends on how bad your how dirty your machine is. So just do it until it's nice and clean. Then afterwards, all you gotta do is just take a paper towel, wipe on the inside of the tank, and then fill it all up with plain water and cycle it through, dump it, and keep on doing that until the vinegar smell is gone, and then you're good to go and brew your coffee. Alright, hopefully this was helpful, and thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe.